there will be many more around the country and in Puerto Rico that they will open. So we're excited to have you in our community. Let me just say that from the very beginning. Thank you for choosing us. We also had the opportunity to meet Angel Vega, the Chief Financial Officer, as well. We established wonderful relationships while there. Gabby, she worked with us very closely. I had the opportunity to eat a lot of food while I was there. We had a lot of song and dance, right, Commissioner Uribe? I even had the opportunity to play a little guitar while we were there in Puerto Rico. So I had a great time, and I didn't drink any alcohol either, I want you to know that. I know Father Gonzalez is here today, so Father, that is the truth that I'm telling you. But they shared a powerful vision of bringing the trusted community-based healthcare model to our region. At that time, Sim Health was exploring the possibility of acquiring an older building right here on East Colonial Drive. Today, we stand before you, and that is the building that they have opened here within our community. In the months ahead, this location will be transformed into a state-of-the-art healthcare facility ready to serve the needs of our residents with compassion, excellence, and commitment. Here in Orange County, we have identified that in many of our minority communities, we have some health inequity. And with this wonderful facility, we will hope to close the gap in that regard to provide quality, affordable health care to those who are in need here within this community. And so on behalf of the 1.5 million people who call Orange County home, I get to say thank you, muchas gracias to you for being one of our many partners. I also want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to your entire team as they celebrate 50 years of service and success. What a remarkable legacy that you have started.
Buenos días a todos, es un honor estar con ustedes esta mañana. De verdad que esto es excitante, tener un pedacito de la tierra de nosotros aquí en Orlando, en el mismo corazón de nuestra tierra. What I just said is that it's exciting to have. I usually tell the joke that the only thing we're missing is a canal to bring ships in, and if they push us hard, we'll get it, right? We'll make it happen. So not only this is exciting because it's more of the industry that has been growing incredibly, attending to the people that keep moving to the Central Florida region. We're victims of our own success. And some people ask, how come you don't have enough housing? How come you don't have this, enough that? Or listen, it's difficult to catch up as many people as moving to the Central Florida region. But that says a lot about our region. It says about how we work and how we do things together. And let's not let the federal government or the state government affect what we're doing in the sense of how we work together as a community. We have a very diverse community, very inclusive, and with plenty of equity, okay? That is not going to disappear, I'll tell you that much. With that being said, I'm excited because they have in 7 cities in Puerto Rico, so this is going to be the number 8th, right? City of Orlando. Oh, okay, well, but we're opening here first, so okay. So it goes to tell you, and it's kind of it's funny because the title of the company, Salud Integral de la Montaña, means integral health of the mountain, or at the mountain. And Florida is totally flat. So let's see how we handle that one. Exactly, we'll make it exactly. But the people are just as warming, the people are just as loving. And I know that the job they bring to, especially understanding the idiosyncrasies of our community, because it's very important. Sometimes we don't think about that, how that can affect our community, how a service can be affected by somebody understanding the idiosyncrasies of that community in particular. And they come from the very heart of what comes to our community. This is the best place in the world. And not only that, is how we attend to our people. So we're looking forward to our community engagement, especially with this great company. We're looking forward to their success, their expansion, and more than anything else, we're looking forward to each and every one of us being part of this. So God bless each and every one of you. A lot of success to all of you. Thank you. Acknowledge my fiancée, Mayra Ramos, who's right here with us today. And once again, give a shout out to Father Miguel, who is a great jewel in our community.
To keep growing, to keep bringing new ideas, new projects, and you say, yes, we are behind you. I would like also to express my gratitude to Deming, to Mayor Demings. Our first day in Puerto Rico has meant a lot to us because you were the first who announced our expansion in Puerto Rico. It was covered by all the media. It was like a secret. Our senators, part of the agencies here in Orlando and the Orange County. Thank you so much for being so empathic with our new project to serve the families of Central Florida. We come with open hearts and a mission to deliver compassionate, community-based healthcare. We bring the warmth, the family values, and the empathy that defines our Puerto Rican roots while embracing the cultural richness that make this region so vibrant. As our chairman woman mentioned, SimHealth served last year over 70,000 non-duplicated patients in just 1 year. I've been at Sim for 12 years now. We have been seeing a great development of our organization. We are celebrating 50 years of providing healthcare, quality healthcare to our community, and I cannot do it myself with the support of my staff, my corporates, my managers, my employees, my medical faculty, and of course my board of directors. So this is very important for us. This is the 10th of facilities. We already have 10 facilities in Puerto Rico. We are a model of care that really centralize our services on our patients, on our community. It's not patients coming to SIM. We go to where the community is. We go where the patient is. We go through the home care programs, with the home visiting programs, with the nursing visiting program, with the hospice programs. So we are always in the community with health fairs, with activities with the agencies in the community, with the churches, with the local leaders. So that's what makes us be part of the community where we stand by. So the decision to expand into Central Florida follow a thoughtful review of a long-term impact of Puerto Rico relocation to the state of Florida, particularly to Orange and Osceola counties after Hurricane Irma and Maria and then the pandemics. But that's not all. We know people leave the island, but people are still coming back to the island to get medical services. So there's where we see the need of coming here. Why if they move to a new place where there's a lot of options, why they're coming back to get their medical services? Why is that attachment to our services? So that's what make us, and I want to recognize Angel Vega Vision, my Vice President of Finance. Angel was the one who knocked the door and said, Doctora, we have to do something. We have to start looking far away from the mountain area. We have to cross waters because there's where our people is. So once we go, we have to put our eyes somewhere else and help the people of color experience higher rates of illness and death from conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, stroke, cancer, HIV, asthma, and mental health issues. A study from the University of Central Florida found that Latinos in Orange are group to skip medical or dental visit due to affordability. We went to the trends, we studied the community, we studied where we want to stand so we can help that community get access to medical services. This is why SimHealth is coming here and we are in. As our board chairwoman said earlier, SimHealth was founded 50 years ago in the mountain of Puerto Rico with a clear mission to provide high quality, affordable health care to underserved communities. But this building has 22,000 square feet. We have a tenant on the second and the third floor, and they are here. I want to tell the Quest Foundation as well as the Florida Safety Council, thank you for trusting us, to allowing us to use your parking space to do this activity. It's very important for us, the relation we have with you. And we also celebrate that Quest is building their own facilities in the future. They will be moving out, so we will be growing up to the second and third floor in the future. We are committed to delivering care with dignity, equity, and compassion regardless of the person's economic status or background. Regarding their insurance status at significant reduced cost. Central Florida is home to excellent healthcare institutions and providers. However, as the population
designed to serve our growing community with compassion, innovation, and a commitment to excellence.